Welcome to the Cryptocurrency Glossary, part of our Crypto Basics series. In this video, we'll explore the essential terms that every beginner needs to understand when entering the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. These foundational concepts will help you navigate conversations, make informed decisions, and build confidence in this exciting digital landscape. Let's dive in and demystify the language of crypto. Let's start with the core foundation concepts. First, blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. What makes it special is that once information is recorded, it becomes extremely difficult to alter retroactively, providing security and transparency. Next, cryptocurrency. This is digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. Unlike traditional money controlled by governments, cryptocurrencies are powered by blockchain technology. Finally, decentralization. This refers to the transfer of control and decision-making from a centralized entity, like a bank or government, to a distributed network. In crypto, this means no single authority has complete control over the system. Now let's talk about how you actually store and manage your cryptocurrency. A wallet is a software program or hardware device that stores your public and private keys and allows you to interact with blockchains to send and receive cryptocurrency. Think of it as your digital bank account for crypto. Your private key is a secret alphanumeric code that gives you access to your cryptocurrency. It's crucial to keep this secure because anyone with your private key can access your funds. Never share it with anyone. On the other hand, your public key is a cryptographic code that allows others to send cryptocurrency to you. You can share this freely without any security risk, similar to sharing your email address. Let's explore how transactions get confirmed on the blockchain. Mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain by solving complex mathematical problems. Miners who successfully do this earn cryptocurrency rewards. There are different methods for validating transactions. Proof of work, or POW, is a consensus mechanism that requires miners to solve computational puzzles to validate transactions and create new blocks. Bitcoin uses this method. Proof of stake, or POS, is an alternative consensus mechanism where validators are chosen based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This method is more energy efficient than proof of work and is used by networks like Ethereum. When you're ready to buy or trade cryptocurrency, you'll encounter these important terms. An exchange is a digital marketplace where users can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies for other assets such as traditional fiat currency or different cryptocurrencies. Popular examples include Coinbase and Binance. Market cap, short for market capitalization, is the total value of a cryptocurrency. It's calculated by multiplying the current price by the total circulating supply. This helps you understand the size and relative importance of different cryptocurrencies. Volatility refers to the degree of variation in the price of a cryptocurrency over time. High volatility means prices can change rapidly and unpredictably, which is common in the crypto market and represents both opportunity and risk. The crypto world has various types of digital assets. Let's understand the main categories. An altcoin is any cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. The term is short for alternative coin and includes thousands of different cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. A token is a digital asset created on an existing blockchain that can represent utility, ownership, or access to a service or product. Unlike coins that have their own blockchains, tokens are built on top of existing blockchain platforms. Finally, a stablecoin is a cryptocurrency designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve asset like the US dollar or gold. Examples include Tether and USD Coin. These provide the benefits of cryptocurrency while minimizing the price volatility. Now let's explore the programmable side of blockchain. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with terms written directly into code that automatically executes when predetermined conditions are met. No intermediaries are needed, making transactions faster and more trustworthy. DeFi, which stands for decentralized finance, refers to financial services and applications built on blockchain technology that operate without traditional intermediaries like banks. You can borrow, lend, and trade directly with others. A DApp, or decentralized application, is an application that runs on a decentralized network rather than centralized servers. These applications typically use smart contracts and offer users more control and transparency compared to traditional apps. Let's understand the mechanics behind cryptocurrency transactions. A gas fee is the transaction fee paid to validators for processing and confirming transactions on a blockchain network. Think of it as the cost of using the blockchain's computing power. Gas fees fluctuate based on network demand. A hash is a unique fixed-length string generated by a cryptographic algorithm that represents data. It's used to verify transaction integrity and ensure nothing has been tampered with. Even the smallest change in data produces a completely different hash. A block is a collection of transaction data bundled together and added to the blockchain after validation by network participants. Each block is linked to the previous one, forming the chain in blockchain. The world of digital ownership introduces some unique concepts. An NFT, which stands for non-fungible token, is a unique digital asset stored on a blockchain that represents ownership of a specific item. Unlike regular cryptocurrency, each NFT is one of a kind and cannot be exchanged on a one-to-one basis. Minting is the process of creating and recording a new token or NFT on a blockchain, making it available for purchase or transfer. When artists or creators mint an NFT, they're essentially publishing it to the blockchain. Fungible refers to an asset property where individual units are interchangeable and indistinguishable from each other, like traditional currencies. $1 is always equal to another dollar. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are fungible, but NFTs are not. Finally, let's look at some cultural terms you'll encounter in the crypto community. HODL is a slang term meaning to hold onto cryptocurrency investments for the long term, regardless of market volatility. It originated from a misspelled forum post saying hold and has become a popular investment strategy and meme in the crypto world. FOMO, or fear of missing out, describes the anxiety that drives investors to buy cryptocurrency during price surges for fear of missing potential gains. This emotional response can lead to impulsive decisions. FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This refers to negative information spread to influence perception and cause price drops in the crypto market. FUD is often used strategically, and it's important to distinguish between legitimate concerns and deliberate misinformation. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential terminology that forms the foundation of cryptocurrency and blockchain knowledge. Understanding these terms is your first step toward navigating the cryptocurrency ecosystem with confidence and making informed decisions. Remember, the crypto space is constantly evolving, so continue learning, stay curious, and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thank you for watching this Crypto Basics video, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.